Today we will discuss about network topologies. Topology is the pattern of interconnection of nodes in local area network. We have several topologies. We connect all nodes on a single cable called bus, connecting the nodes in ring or like star. You can connect all nodes with separate point-to-point link called mesh. You can also connect the node hierarchically like tree, or you can take any combinations of such topologies to form the hybrid topology. You are selecting any topology based on cost, reliability in terms of fault detection, and flexibility. That means how easily you can add or remove the nodes. So let's study all the topologies with their advantages and disadvantages. Bus topology. In bus topology, each node attaches directly to a common cable which acts as the backbone, and therefore it works as a shared communication medium onto which various nodes are attached. A device waiting to communicate with another device on the network send a broadcast message in both directions onto the wire that all other devices see, but only the intended recipient based on IP address in the packet accepts and process the message. Advantages of bus topology are less installation cost due to single common cable. The linear architecture is very simple and reliable, and additional node can be easily connected in this topology. But the disadvantages of bus topologies are fault detections and isolations is difficult. Second is you required repeater if the central bus length become too long, and that's also require reconfiguration. Third disadvantage is for large number of nodes. Performance problems are likely to occur because of shared cable. And if backbone cable fails, the entire network become unusable. Star topology. A star network features a central connection point called a hub to which all other nodes are connected. Each node has a dedicated set of wires connecting it to the central network hub. Advantage of star topology is failure of single node does not affect the entire network, and fault detections is easier. On the other hand, disadvantages of star topologies are more cable is needed which increase the cost of network. The entire network is dependent on the central node. If the central node fails, the entire network goes down. Tree topology. Tree topology is combinations of bus and star topology. There is central root branching and sub-branching down to the nodes. Advantages of tree topologies are it's suited for applications which have a hierarchical flow of data and control. It's also provide good flexibility and scalability. While the disadvantage is it's difficult to configure compared to other topologies. Mesh topology. In mesh topology, every device is connected to another device via particular channel. So if you want to connect n devices, you require n-1 ports in each device. So here we have 4 computers. Then we require 4 minus 1 is equal to 3 ports in each computer. In mesh topology, total number of dedicated links required to connect them is n multiplied by n minus 1 divided by 2. That means here we require 4 multiplied by 3 divided by 2 equal to 6 links. You can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 links. Advantages of this topology are it provides security and privacy due to dedicated channel between each pairs of devices. Fault is diagnosed easily and that's why it is robust. While disadvantages of this topology are cost of cables are high as bulk wiring is required. Installations and configurations is difficult. Ring topology. In this topology, each device connects to neighboring devices and forms the rings. Here transmission is in one direction only, but it can be made bidirectional by adding other rings between each network devices. It is called dual ring topology. To avoid collision in ring topology, one token will circulate in the ring and to transmit data, station has to hold the token. After the transmission is done, the token is to be released for other stations to use. Then other stations can hold the token and transmit the data in similar fashion. Advantages of this topology are the possibility of collision is minimum in this type of topology, cheaper in installations and expansion. On the other hand, disadvantages are finding fault is difficult in this topology. Additions of stations or removal of stations can disturb the whole network. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology, as name suggests, is the combinations of more than two topologies like star, ring and bus topology. This kind of topology you can make depending on organization needs. Advantages of hybrid topology are you can use benefits of different topologies so that it is flexible and reliable. On the other hand, the disadvantages of hybrid topology are it is complex in nature and also expensive. So I hope you understands all the network topologies. See you next time with such exciting topic of computer science. Till then, bye bye. If you like this video, press like and subscribe the channel and share the video. And don't forget to press the bell icon for my new video notifications. Thanks for watching.